What would I do if I was fearless?
That change from the traditional manufacturing to what we call advanced manufacturing today is one of the most exciting developments over the last 100 years.
When I grew up, the perception was large, dirty factories, a job that actually doesn't have much of a future, and that's actually not the case.
We're changing the way that people work. That's the reality, and we're changing the way that the shipyard works. We've got robot dogs doing inspection, they've got laser projection, they've got all sorts of tools and technologies that they absolutely love. That's really been our focus, people at the heart of that technology.
I think with advanced manufacturing and the convergence of the skilled sort of machining and workshop sort of manufacturing aspects and assembly, plus all of the digital stuff, is creating much more diverse requirement for skill set. And I think it makes it much more interesting work for people in the future than what it used to be.
REDARC's hiring app developers. We're hiring data scientists, people that I would never have thought. So it's really an exciting time.
What would you do if you were fearless?